How to cancel order in Grabfood. What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily cancel order for Grabfood. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your Grabfood and make sure that you are logged into your account. And usually if your order is processing, you will find it on the activity tab right here. And if you want to cancel it, what you can do is go ahead and tap on the account section right here and scroll down a bit until you see general, and under general you'll see help center. Tap on help center and wait for it to load. Now what you need to do here is search for cancel my order. So tap on find help and search for cancel order and search for it. So go ahead and tap on any of these available options. So I'm just going to tap on this one. And here what you can do is get an email support. So you can search for other articles right here as well. And if you have any trouble, you can contact them via email, and once you email them, you can tell them to cancel the order that you have decided to cancel the order, and Grab's Help Center will notify you when your order is canceled. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.